All right, YouTube. This is where we're at with my brother's chopper. Found out this is a 2005 or 2006 Roger Bourget chopper. It's 111 cubic inch. Had a blown rear head gasket. Let me start off by saying that, look, I'm not a professional YouTuber. I don't have the capabilities of editing, so I can't walk you through step by step this process. Maybe one day, if I got big enough, I would get the capabilities to edit. But here we are. Disassembled the motor. These rings, top oil rings, are stuck. It's probably due to the heat when he ran the bike with a blown head gasket for a little bit. These ones are free. The pistons look good. No scoring on the skirts. Not too much carbon on the pistons. Now, the rear cylinder walls, these look terrible. Try to get you in a good light here. A lot of scoring. Found that the cylinder was, was dry, no oil in it. But that was probably from running it with a blown head gasket, and all the oil was blowing out. Because the front one don't look too bad. So, as long as these heads underneath are not warped, especially the rear, and there's no warping on the jugs, just throw a new set of gaskets down, new set of rings on each piston, get the jugs and have them honed out with a little dingle ball hone, clean them up. I'll take apart the valves, check them, see if there's any scoring on there, and probably relap the valves, get them seating real nice and good. Got to double check the compression releases. I just want to make sure they're both working. But other than that, it could have been just a bad gasket, because I did the same thing on my dad's chopper, an S&S motor as well. So is it something that they're doing wrong, or is it just lame? But yeah, that's that. Keep pumping my damn head, so I gotta do that. Take you around here. In case anybody's wondering, these are casting numbers. You look up the specs by the serial number here. It's a FC01257. I'll find out the date of this bike when I talk to my brother. It's got to be from that serial number. It's an 05 engine, so the bike might be an 06. It's got an S&S Shorty G. Yeah. Now this, I'm going to yell at my brother for. This exhaust is ruined. Look how curved these exhaust flanges are. It took me an hour to get off the rear one. I was so pissed. He's over tightening them, and then the heat's bending them. It's terrible. It should be flat and square. Unless I don't know something, and they got curved ones, but it wouldn't come off the damn studs. So, new exhaust time for him. We're gonna have to cut it, put square flanges on, and then re-weld it back. But these things are shot. These fucking things. He drags on the ground when he turns. Maybe makes right turns. It's a dangerous bike. I've followed behind him many a times. It's pretty, but she's dangerous. Here's the other one. It's got the same hole. Same blown out hole. The scrape marks. It's terrible. Alright, I ain't gonna bash on his bike too much. I personally don't like these style choppers. They're not my thing. But won't go step by step with you, but I'll stop back in and update you on my progress as I go along. Next thing I gotta do is get into his clutch issue he's having. There's the old flatty. I'll be riding her tomorrow. It's gonna be 60 degrees. Oh, I changed the air cleaner. I took the other style air cleaner off, the round one, and I put on just a bird deflector. I think it looks cool. What do you think? Which one is better? Let me know in the comments. I have the 6-inch round one that says Harley, or just a straight bird deflector. Let me know what you think. All right, talk to you soon.